I'm asking if you are seeing the screen. Otherwise, I'll be doing this for my own. Okay. So I say first cover the concept we do with econometric analytics, followed by linear regression analysis, because the concept of linear regression is going to guide the whole of this course. But first, we'll consider linear regression. That will also be followed by quantitative response regression models, that is analyzing data where the dependent variable is not quantitative in nature. That is, it is not continuous. In other words, it's got multiple choice issues. The data which you are going to use, or the variable, the dependent variable, is not quantitative in nature. In other words, it is qualitative. Good example is gender, where you are to predict gender. You only have two options. In this case, if you have two options, that is binary. So, which models do you use when the scenario is you don't have a quantitative independent variable? That will be covered under chapter 3 there. Then you also move on to panel data regression models. Because lastly, we consider time series models. So these are the recommended stuff which you can, during your spare time or during your revision, you can consider. Gujarati, say, I think Gujarati did quite well in terms of the of econometrics. So I think the order here matters. First consider Gujarati, or you can choose any depending with the way you understand each stuff and how these guys write things differently. Of course, as students, you might have your own way of understanding. You might understand what Gujarati have done, but not quite as much as what have been done by itself. So you can read any stuff which you may think of might help during your preparation for the exam. In the real life scenarios, as data scientists, data analysts, whatever I might call you. So generally, now because it looks like will consist of 4 different assessment methods there. Of course, if time permits, we might have an in-class test. We'll decide how we are going to do that. There's also going to be an individual assignment, group assignment, and of course, the group presentation. And these 4 constitutes 40% with equal weightage. There you can see 10% each. Of course, the final exam carries 60%. That's the stuff for you guys. But I think yes, yeah, of course, if everyone which is no, okay. I think who is Maquila. I think you have to fix your network because some other guys like, so yeah, are confirming that the voice, the screen, everything else is going on well. So it's okay. Some other guys are still joining the class. Hey, okay. Right. Now that we have gone through the course outline, I think it's now time to get going into the real stuff. Econometrics. I think some of you have done this before, especially those who have studied statistics and on their undergraduate programs. Those who have studied mathematics, I think this is revision for you, which I hope everyone knows the stuff under econometric analytics. But the good part of this course is you're not going to write. I know these days the economy is not that good, it's not that right, you see. Everyone is crying in terms of meeting the financial needs. So your pen is going to be spared in this course. So writing with your pen is something else. In other words, I'm saying the course is going to be 100% practicals. So I'm going to divide the course, the content into three. Let me say into 4. The 4 days we have today, we're going to consider something's going on with my head. Something's going on with me. I'm trying to upload the presentation. Yes, I think I successfully loaded it. Yes, voice error. No voice. I think that was before. I think now loud and clear. I'm able to hear that the voice now is improved. Okay, voice is ready. That is that one. How is it now, guys? You can Let's comment.